Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Wetlands Day. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. World Wetlands Day is observed annually on February 2nd to raise awareness about the importance of wetlands and marks the adoption of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands in 1971, Ramsar, Iran. The theme for 2026, Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, celebrating cultural heritage, emphasizes the significance of wetlands in sustaining local cultures, biodiversity, and climate resilience. With the increasing threats of climate change and human activities, wetlands are rapidly disappearing, calling for urgent conservation efforts. Now let's discuss about World Wetlands Day theme. The theme for 2026 highlights the invaluable role that traditional knowledge plays in preserving wetlands and the ecosystems they support. Indigenous and local communities have safeguarded wetlands through sustainable practices, showing that cultural heritage is integral to the conservation of these vital ecosystems. The theme underscores the need for combining modern conservation strategies with traditional wisdom to protect and restore wetlands. Now let's discuss about its significance. Wetlands are crucial for water filtration, biodiversity support, and flood prevention. They are also essential for mitigating climate change by storing large amounts of carbon. Despite their importance, wetlands are disappearing faster than forests due to human activity. By celebrating World Wetlands Day, we not only recognize their value, but also motivate action toward their preservation, ensuring that they continue to provide essential services to humanity and the planet. Now it's time to do a practice question. Which international treaty is dedicated exclusively to the protection of wetlands? A. Kyoto Protocol. B. Ramsar Convention. C. Paris Agreement. D. Montreal Protocol. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.